Hi, I'm Yuna. Welcome to your favorite recipe. I am excited to show you how to make egg rolls. Yes, I found the best recipe for authentic Vietnamese egg rolls out of this wonderful cookbook. The author for this book is Christine Ha. She's a winner for MasterChef Season 3. And she's legally blind, and I've made her other recipe. It's really good. She's Vietnamese herself, so this is actually her mom's recipe, and I feel really honored to be making that. So let's get started. Okay, first thing first, I have a small pot with water filled, and I got this boiling because we do need to boil our thin rice noodles. This is not like spaghetti, so it'll take, 3 to 5 minutes to cook. Don't overcook these because you're going to be cooking these in an egg roll. Kind of similar to soba noodles. You're going to rinse it under cold water because it is rice and it's extra starchy. So you gotta make sure that nothing is sticking to one another. Carrots in it, and shallot, the garlic and scallions, and of course fish sauce. Okay, and then we are also working with some mushrooms. I have oyster mushrooms, and the recipe calls for woodier mushrooms, and it's not easy to find, so work with any mushroom that you can find. And I'm going to just drain the mushroom juice because you don't want soggy egg rolls. So we have all our vegetables, like the filling in already. Now it's time to bond them all together with one egg. You're probably like, where's salt and pepper? This is gonna take care of all of that. Our fish sauce is the main seasoning, main flavor for this. Probably less than that. I'm looking at the amount of my ingredients, and you just wanna be able to season this. Yeah, so half of quarter cup, 1/8 cup, so 2 tablespoons would have probably taken care of this. We live and learn, right? Yes. All right, this is done. And now it is time to roll. Are you ready to roll? This is Chinese egg roll. Singapore, oh my God. The Filipino wrappers are very, very thin, like paper thin. Chinese egg roll is a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can see it, but oh man, I just love this doughy smell so much. Oh my God, before I get rolling, I forgot about my noodles until I just saw it. So this is very important here. I'm just actually going to chop this in the bowl. Wonderful. So once we have that, I'm going to add our noodles in. So yes, that's our filling. I like it so much. So give it another mix after the noodles are added in. You don't want your noodles to be too long. Like you want it to be about like this length. All right, we have our mix here. Time to really get this rolling. Whoa! Oh la la! One's a little bit browner. That means I just gotta. And now we have it ready here. I'm going to take a couple of them out and taste it. Also, in Thailand, you can just easily find this as street food. So I'm just using my paper plates. So make sure you really shake off the excess oil as you drain this. So here we are. I made 11 egg rolls. It bothers me that it's not an even number, but that's okay. I don't know, it looks pretty similar to the picture. So I am kind of happy, not kind of, I'm very happy how it turned out. And the true tester as to how delicious it is gonna be right here. So right here, I'm going to dip some in my, come on, there you go. So here is my mama's egg rolls, not my mama's, but Christine's mama's egg roll recipe. And I really want to thank her. Like, I hope that she watches this and tells me that, like, great job, even though you used the wrong egg roll wraps, it still turned out really good. And you saw how easy it was to make it. So when you make this, let me know how it turns out and take a photo of your food and tag me. You can find me on Instagram at Yuna Cooks, and subscribe, please, and hit the bell button for my weekly new videos. And I cannot wait to see you at your next favorite recipe.